Hi, ever heard of the touch type tool in Adobe Illustrator? It's kind of interesting. You can actually select each and every letter individually and manipulate it, scale, rotate, move. Let me show you how it works. So let's select our type here. Command T to bring up the character dialog, Control T in Windows. And you'll immediately see the touch type tool button. If you don't, you can click here, show and hide. I'll click the touch type tool and let's start playing around with the characters. As you can see, I can scale, rotate, and move. And I'll keep the distance with the characters. Now you might ask yourself, okay, what can I really use this for? A scenario, a real life scenario. One of the real life scenarios that I have used it, I used multiple. One of them was price tags. You can easily and nicely format your price tag like so. And there you have it. Well, that'll be the end of today's episode. I hope you found it useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, see you later.